Hey guys, my name is Scoby. Today I'm going to be showing you how to join the Amazon affiliate program. This is going to be a nice, quick and easy tutorial. Using this method with your link, you're going to be able to earn up to 10% on purchases that people make when they click your link. Let's jump right into this. So the first thing you want to do is come to the Amazon affiliate program link. If you come to this link and we come to the right beside the login option, we should be able to see a flag option right here. If we click this down, we should see a bunch of different options on where we can actually use an Amazon affiliate link from. Choose the one that best suits you. In my case, I'm going to be using the one from the United Kingdom, but depending on where you're living and depending on how you want to do it, I would choose the one that most fits for what you want to do. In this case, I'm going to be choosing United Kingdom, so we're going to be going through with this. Once this is done, we're going to be coming to the join option right here, and we're going to be clicking join now. Now, this is the point where you can sign in with your currently made Amazon account, or you can create a new Amazon account at the bottom. In my case, I'm going to be creating a brand new Amazon account, but that's up to you if you want to use a previously made one. So what you want to do is enter the credentials on screen. Once your credentials are added in, just click create your Amazon account, and then you'll be brought to the next page, and we're going to be able to set up everything you see on screen. And then we're going to have to go through a couple more steps before your Amazon account can be made. Now, depending on where you're living and what Amazon country you decided to use, you might get some additional steps, or some steps might look slightly different, but they should somewhat still follow the same order. So just follow along with me. I'm not going to be going through step by step, but the first thing you have to do is enter in about yourself. If you already have an Amazon account, this should already be filled in for the most part, but I'm going to have to fill it in right now. Once you're happy with all your account information, simply click next, and then we're going to have to enter the website and mobile app list that we currently own. So to be entered into the Amazon affiliate program, you're going to have to enter some of the websites you own or some of the mobile apps you own. In the websites page, you can also put social media accounts. So say, for example, your YouTube channel, Twitter, Facebook, whatever the case may be. You can use all of that here. In this case, I'm going to be filling these in with my YouTube channel on my website. Once you're done and you're happy with this, simply click next one more time. And then we're going to be brought to the profile page. We're going to have to enter some more information about our websites, where we want to sell, what traffic it comes from. I'm not going to be going step by step with this. It's pretty easy to do. Once you're happy with everything you've said above, simply enter in the captcha down here. Click that you agree to the terms and conditions. If you want to read them, simply click this link open, click finish, and then you should get your Amazon Associate ID. Now in this case, this can vary depending on what you wanted to choose your name to be, but you should get something around what you selected. Once you're done, you're going to have to come down here and you're going to have to enter your payment and tax information. You can choose to do this now or later. Right now I'm going to be doing this now. And when we come here, we're going to be able to choose how we want Amazon to pay us. So we have a couple of options right here. We can choose Amazon to pay in gift cards, to pay in a direct deposit, or pay by check. In this case, I'm going to be selecting Amazon gift cards. Amazon will then tell you you're going to send it to your primary email address for your actual email, and you can select to use this method for all EU accounts I am registering with in this session. This can depend on where you're signing up. Like I said previously, some of these things can be slightly different depending on where you're signing up for the Amazon Associates program. Once you're happy with this, click submit and you'll be brought to the next page. Click next and then you'll be brought to the Amazon Associates Central. You got a couple settings here and you can see some tutorials on screen on how to do stuff. I'd recommend playing around with this, learning what you can do, but it's as easy as that to sign up for the Amazon affiliate program. If you guys enjoyed this tutorial, be sure to drop a like, subscribe if you're new, check out the other videos on the channel. I'm going to leave a link down below to my PayPal and my Amazon Associate link if you found these videos helpful and you want to support me. I make all these videos for free. I try my best to make the highest quality content. So if you enjoy them and you want me to keep making them, be sure to check those out. Anyway guys, thank you so much for watching. Until next time, as always, keep it saucy. Peace.